Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
In part A, v prime of A at 1 is the slope of the graph at t equals 1. Three comma 3 with slope 3 minus negative 3 over 3 minus 0 equals 2, so v prime of A at 1 equals 2. Slope from the left is 2, while the slope to the right is 0. In part B, the integral from 0 to 10 of v sub a of t dt represents the x direction from t equals 0 to t equals 10. By geometric evaluation, the integral from 0 to 6 of v sub a of t dt equals 1/2 times. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.